Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Have you ever been like you want to install maybe software on your laptop or computer, then you receive a message which say it's normally say operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus or unwanted software. So this happens on Windows 10, Windows 11, I don't know, even maybe in other Windows. But we're gonna show you what to do to win on that. Yeah, the steps are very simple, not something very complicated, you understand? So just watch step by step. If you don't get that, I might not be talking much, then you will be able to do what, to grasp what we want you guys to learn. So I'm gonna show you very immediately. You can go to, you can click here, then you can find this. Sometimes you can go to settings, that's where we're gonna find that. Then you click on it, and then you can do this. Okay. Camera is bad, I don't know why, maybe the light from the computer. You go to each and every one here. You do all of them one by one, finish. Once you finish, you can go back here. Now you can see what it shows. It has to be like that. You get me? So yeah, that's it. Then you can proceed with your stuff. Yeah, I guess you saw what I did. I want to say I didn't see. If you didn't find that, you can click here and then look for settings. When you click on settings, that's when you're gonna go well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hope to see you in the next video.